Get a little B-roll.
Got a little spa. Little eatery over here. Pool. Wow, look at this tree. Let's go get a closer look. So the drink I ordered apparently was named after this tree. So beautiful. I'm gonna show you these guys, these little hammocks they have over here. They have little hammocks. Oh, there's like bungalows located over here and little hammocks. Those are really nice, or people can just like chill out. I know on that side of the pool, we didn't go over there. I'm probably not gonna go over there today. But on that side, that's where all the cool cabanas and stuff. I will try to see if I can find some old footage of the first time we came here, because we got to chill in those cabanas. Really dope. All right, let's say bye to the tree. Bye, tree.
Well, this will be a part of the review.
No problem.
Justine, thank you so much.
No problem.
Do you mind if you take Nice. So this is the first floor villas. Yeah, I like the aesthetics, the grounds, and I love these palms. Oh, look at this. What is this? Back out to the pool. Oh, that's a little cat. Look like us and the family.
It looks like. Oh, it's this one? Oh. Yeah, I know. These we get to see the hammocks up close. Okay, let's see. To the left, to the left. Oh, yep. Oh, nice. Huh? I know. Okay, it's this last one over here. Yep. Look at us, look at us. This is the entrance?
No, but it's the back way.
Oh. Little lounge area. And then I seen this out here. What is these? Some courts of, okay, tennis courts? They do not have tennis courts here. Oh, and a basketball court over there. Wow. Okay, fancy. Fancy smashing. Oh, these are the patios? Ah, look at that. Thank you, Dad. Oh, right corner.
Yeah. Look at that.
Ooh, nice little hallway. What are those little things sitting out there?
Flowers. So you can put your stuff on there.
Oh, yes. Let's back up. You got the car?
It's wood.
Oh.
Eco-friendly. Hit it with the.
Let's see. So, y'all know this is gonna be for real first impressions because you seen it at the same time we seen it. Okay. This is cute. Little workstation over here. Really feeling this outside patio. This is nice. Baby O's gonna like this. We should have brought a baby gate. Really could have kept him in there. Let's see how big the closet is. The closet. Okay. So what's this? Oh, this is a fancy. What is this? Crease line?
What you think, baby? Yo?
It says Conair, but it says crease line, so I don't think that's a blow dryer. Iron board. I like their little closet get up. Okay, ropes.
Give me that right now.
Beautiful. Let's see what this bathroom like. Okay. Nice and spacious. Okay, tub. It's giving handicap accessible. All right, all right. Okay, I was showing y'all the hammocks. Now we got a hammock. It look a little janky. That is wild. But yeah.
While the kid is distracted. Ooh, I'm big.
Yo, you're big, but it's also too the foundation is lacking integrity. Yo.
Okay.
How you feel?
I feel lacking integrity.
You feel it?
Because it's missing a lot.
Yeah.
It's my booty came moved.
I wonder if these are actually functional.
Yeah, they are. I see people with them all the time.
Oh, we got one of those trees over here too. Oh, there's a lizard. Oh, he left. Bye, Jan. Beautiful trees. I saw a lizard over here. Let's hurry up and get in and close that door.
Huh?
Saw a lizard.
So you know how I'm gonna roll. From South Central to the Old San Juan Hotel, trying out everything. Check me out. You see me?
Not
see
your
me?
leg. Your ankle is over the back.
You see me?
So you about to get your money's worth, all of it.
All my dollars worth
Man.
for the discount.
And then this guy been running around the room the whole time, terrorizing any and everything.
Oh yeah, outside. He been outside and everything.
Yo, literally, escape artist. Open. Open.
I'm even using their luggage rack.
That is a nice one.
We using everything. Show you. This is what you're supposed to. We got these at La Perla Verde, so they ain't that fancy. I'm telling you right now, they ain't that fancy. You just lay it right here.
Ooh, that bag look like it's been through it.
Because it's traveled from California to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Theirs a little flimsy though, I'll tell you that right now. A little flimsy. Oh, you
That's
know
the
what?
one I got because I broke. My bag broke that day, right? Remember we had to run to go get one?
Yeah, we had to buy a bunch of them. Yep, but yeah, that's how we do. Hotel San Juan. Getting it. Hopscotch, you know.
They not like us. They not like us.
They not like that. They not like us. Successful.
Yes.
Baby, yo. Say way. Mommy.
Talk about something.
You gotta get out of here before that.
Day and night, it's gonna be time.